Hey friends. This is how I have to say hi to you because I don't have, this is what I film with, my Nikon D7000. It's huge, it's heavy, it does not have a flip out screen. So that's why you guys don't see me ever. But I thought I would jump on here and say hi because you guys don't really ever see me unless it's on Instagram. But I'm going to share with you guys my kids' stocking stuffers. Maybe give you guys some ideas. So let's go. Okay, so this section here is for my 17-year-old son. I might actually put this spray and this set in a gift bag and then just put that in a stocking and then do like some rolled up money or something and tie it with some twine and stick that in a stocking. So there's Laffy Taffy, gold coins, Hershey bar, big thing of gum. It comes with all the different Wrigley's gums. It comes with all the different Wrigley's. Skittles, peppermint pop rocks, and we always put, my husband grew up having an orange in the toe of his stocking, so either we'll put a cutie in there or actual orange. So this is my son's, and again, I might put that in a gift bag and just do that in a stocking with some money, but we'll see. This is my 13-year-old daughter, Bella. So Taffy, this is her favorite candy, Swedish Fish. Peppermint Pop Rock Skittles. These are super cute, these pens. They have like the little ball in them, the little metal ball. I thought those were really cute from the Target Bullseye's Playground. A Dove deodorant, a Real Technique sponge, some dry shampoo, 2 lotions from Bath & Body Works, a chocolate bar, this darling little donut zipper pouch, which I'll probably put like $5 in. She kind of has more because there's just so much you could put in their stockings. Chapsticks, you can even do socks. There's just a huge list. Teenage boys, like all he wants is money. Like fill a stocking with money and he'd be happy. Okay, this is my 10-year-old Riker. Some slipper socks from Target. This slime stuff from Target. Skittles, the coins. Skittles, coins, Hershey's, a Pez, Laffy Taffy, and Pop Rocks. Plus they're orange. I may throw something else in there as it gets closer. And then this is Evan's. And I'm glad I pulled this stuff out because I forgot I haven't found him some slippers. So I'll find some slippers for him. And he pretty much has the exact same stuff as his older brother, but this is my 7-year-old Evan. And again, they get oranges, and I'll probably throw in a few more things in my little boys. Maybe like a glittery bouncy ball or something like that. So this is my 4 kids' stockings, plus any extras I might add, like the money, and then an extra thing or 2 in there in my little boys. And then I wanted to share a neighbor gift idea with you guys and teacher gift ideas. So let me get that set up. So I found all these really nice, super soft blankets at my Smith's Marketplace in a big bin. You guys, these were $2.99, and they're pretty big. And they're pretty darn big. They're not small. So what I'm going to do, these are neighbor gifts, and then 2 of them are teacher gifts. And I have all different ones. Well, I have a couple that are same. But like, this one has like a cute beetle, a cute bug on it, and reindeer. This one's red, black, and white, like bulbs. There's Santa. There's just this red and black plaid one, red, black, and white, and then there's this gray one, which is really neutral. Ho, ho, joy, I think Noel, like different words, and then another car one with deer. So what you can do, and what I'm going to do, is you create a tag in your picture editing software or PicMonkey or from your Cricut, whatever. Just make a card that says, wishing you a warm and cozy Christmas, and then you'll just attach it to the ribbon or wherever. So you can come up with different sayings. It has to do with staying warm, warm and cozy, wishing you a warm and comforting Christmas. You guys get the idea. So my boys' teachers are going to get one of the blankets. My boys' teachers will get one of these lotions from Bath & Body Works. I went there yesterday and got a whole bunch of these. They were on sale for $1.95. Not this one, this one's mine. I'm just giving you an example. They're upstairs in a bag, but I'll tuck it underneath the ribbon with the little card or the little tag for their teachers. So that's just a cute neighbor gift and teacher gift, and I wanted to share that with you guys. Another cute idea is you pick up a whisk, and you can get them at your dollar store anywhere. This is just one I have and I use, but I'm using this as an example. You get Hershey Kisses, and you fill this little whisk with as many Hershey Kisses as you can, and then you tie a little tag with some string around, and you say, "Whisking you a very merry Kissmas." So whisking and then the Hershey Kisses, Kissmas. So that's another gift idea for your neighbors. And then I have one more I want to share with you. Okay, this one's really cute too. You're just going to pick up wrapping paper in multiple packs from the dollar store. You can get wrapping paper so cheap, and then you tie a little tag around and you say, "Hoping this Christmas wraps you with love and joy," or wraps you with comfort and joy, etc. So the keyword is wraps. So that's another really cute gift idea. Just a brand new roll of wrapping paper with a cute little tag around it saying that. So I hope you guys enjoyed some of those neighbor gift ideas, and I appreciate you guys stopping by my video today. That's it. I know this one's kind of short, but I will see you guys again in another video. Hope you guys are having a wonderful holiday season, and thank you for stopping by my channel today. Love you guys. Bye.